Miguel read the paper and was doubted it. True, she said.
Good.
The board says they are having budget problems. Next year, there may not be any more school soccer. Maya jumped up, her ponytail folder flashed. Finally, SOS!
Ponytail flashed.
Shouted, Bingo, Anna, idea! Mr. Santa smiled. Maya scored more ideas that Maya quickly described her plan. I like it, Miguel said, but I think we will need some help. The next day, Maya and Miguel got all of their funds together.